Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber, and as you can see, my hair looks atrocious. It's dry, tangled, and honestly looks how I feel. So today, to lift my spirit and to save my curls, I'm going to be trying out Matrix's new Instacure Build Up line. This collection helps to strengthen and soften hair by using 1 billion bonds in every bottle to fight damage. If you don't know what this means, basically a hair bond refers to the chemical bonds that hold together the proteins in the hair shaft. These bonds are responsible for the strength and structure of the hair and can be broken or damaged by heat styling, chemical treatments, and other factors. Hair bonding treatments such as this line are designed to repair and strengthen these bonds, resulting in healthier and more resilient hair. To start, I'm going to shampoo my hair using Matrix Mighty Bond shampoo. This is considered a professional shampoo, so it has a very nice thick consistency and a great lather. It's free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, and it's made with a vegan formula. It's also suitable for color treated hair. Every product in this collection has a citrusy smell. I'm not a huge fan of a citrus scent, but this one is actually pleasant, not too overpowering to where it smells like cleaning supplies, but more like a subtle perfume. This shampoo and all the products from this line are infused with citric acid to strengthen and squalane to soften the hair. The citric acid deeply penetrates the hair fiber to fortify and strengthen damaged strands from the inside, while the squalane acts on the hair's outer surface to soften and smooth each strand. On top of repairing hair, this shampoo also helps to reduce breakage and split ends. I love a good repair shampoo. I usually use L'Oreal Everpure Bond Repair Shampoo, which is actually good for the cost, but this product definitely has a better consistency. It was easy to work with, it lathered well, and when I rinsed it out of my hair, my scalp and hair just felt super clean but not overly dry. Next, I'm using the Instant Revival Liquid Mask. I decided to get this instead of their Mighty Care Conditioner because this is an advanced hair mask specially formulated for extremely damaged hair, featuring a cutting-edge liquid texture. It's ideal for color-treated and highlighted hair. This product is free of sulfates, parabens, and mineral oil and contains a vegan-friendly formula that helps to strengthen hair while also conditioning hair for smoothness and shine. I was super surprised at how lightweight this product was. I never used a conditioner or treatment that was more lightweight than my shampoo, so that was interesting. Applying it, I did need to use a bit more than I expected. Although it was watery, it really didn't have any slip. I did try both of these products in the shower, and after using these products twice, I actually really disliked the liquid mask. While applying it, my curls started to revive. I left the treatment on for 5 minutes, like the directions said to, and then rinsed it out, and my hair was dry. This was such a disappointment because this is an innovative product, so I was really excited to see what it would do for my hair. It was supposed to provide more conditioning benefits than the conditioner, but it honestly did nothing. I've gotten far more with a leave-in conditioner than I got with this. To seal everything in, I took the Super Sealing Leave-In Balm and used a generous amount to each section on towel-dried hair. I was not expecting this item to be 3.4 ounces, especially when I paid $25 for it. That was crazy of me. Never again, especially for a leave-in. From now on, I will be looking at the sizes of these products because that is insane. This is a high quality leave-in treatment designed for severely damaged hair. This product is sulfate free, paraben free, and mineral oil free with a vegan friendly formula. Although it's a leave-in, it has a gel-like texture that coats the hair evenly for nourishment without any heaviness. It provides heat protection up to 450 Fahrenheit, controls frizz up to 72 hours, and effortlessly detangles and conditions the hair. I think this product would be good if I was flat ironing my hair. It's lightweight, it has heat protection, and it seals in moisture. But to use just for a regular styling, no. It doesn't provide enough hydration. I personally don't think it did much for my hair at all. So I went ahead and applied Matrix A Curl Can Dream Cream on top for more definition and moisture. After styling, I diffused my hair so it's completely dry, and these are my final results. I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit disappointed. I had high hopes for these products. These products are supposed to provide 94% smoother hair, and this line is also supposed to be for all hair types. I think the definition is there, but my hair is frizzy. Even after applying the A Curl Can Dream cream, I would not recommend this product if you have a similar texture to my hair or if you have thicker or coarser hair than mine. Overall, I think this product was okay. You can find better things at the drugstore, if I'm being honest. So I wouldn't purchase this again, but let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.